Have you ever wondered how to enhance learning in your classroom? Today, we'll explore cooperative learning strategies. These strategies can transform student interactions and boost engagement. Cooperative learning exists on a continuum. On one end, we have formal structures. On the other, informal methods. Understanding both types allows teachers to make informed decisions. Let's dive into the structured approach first. Formal cooperative learning involves planned group work. This work often aligns with the curriculum and spans multiple class periods. Students are assigned explicit roles and work towards interdependent goals. Common examples include jigsaw lessons and long-term inquiry projects. Next, we discuss informal cooperative learning. This consists of short, spontaneous interactions. These occur within lessons, like think-pair-share activities or brief triad discussions. They engage students and assess understanding in a matter of minutes. Both formal and informal structures have their merits. Informal exchanges quickly engage students. Meanwhile, formal structures support deeper learning and evaluation. Now, let's explore core elements of effective cooperative structures. First, positive interdependence is key. Students must feel they succeed or struggle together. Teachers can create this through shared goals or joint rewards. Second, individual accountability ensures every student contributes. This can be shown through assessments or role rotations. Next, face-to-face promotive interaction is crucial. Students need opportunities to engage directly, discuss and critique ideas. Interpersonal skills must also be taught. Teachers should model communication, conflict resolution, and decision-making skills. Lastly, group processing is critical. Groups should frequently reflect on their performance and set future goals. Let's look at some formal models. The jigsaw model divides a unit into segments. Students first join expert groups and then teach what they learn to others. This empowers responsibility and accountability. Another model is structured academic controversy. Here, students explore multiple sides of an issue. They argue, synthesize, and negotiate resolutions. Team-based learning combines individual preparation with group assessments. It emphasizes accountability through readiness tests. Project-based learning uses authentic, complex problems that demand teamwork. It requires clear questions and provides formative checkpoints. Next, we have informal strategies for quick engagement. Think-pair-share allows students to think individually, then discuss with partners. Turn and talk strengthens understanding through quick exchanges. Reciprocal questioning pairs students to generate and answer questions together. Gallery walks engage students in building collective knowledge through station prompts. For successful informal strategies, set time limits and define clear prompts. Follow up by synthesizing what students contribute. Designing cooperative tasks is vital. Tasks should be cognitively challenging and engaging. They should require interdependence and include clear success criteria. Consider group composition carefully. Heterogeneous groups support diverse perspectives, while homogeneous groups may assist targeted learning. Group size matters too. Small groups of 3 to 5 balance diversity and manageability. Assigning roles boosts engagement. Rotating roles fosters accountabilities, such as recorder and facilitator. Assessment should align with cooperative goals. Individual measures like quizzes ensure personal learning. Group measures evaluate collective outcomes. Peer assessment can provide valuable feedback and influence grades. Transparent rubrics define expectations for quality and collaboration. Teacher roles also shift in this environment. Teachers must plan carefully and model collaborative behaviors. Monitoring student interactions ensures positive group dynamics. Teachers should reflect on successes and challenges, refining their approach based on observable outcomes. In summary, cooperative learning offers powerful strategies to enhance engagement and understanding. Formal and informal methods both have unique benefits. Understanding how to integrate these methods can significantly improve your teaching practice. Ready to implement these strategies? Start small, try a Think Pair Share this week. See how your students engage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.